Elephant.
All right, let's welcome in one of our 15 Asian elephants. There are two types of elephants in the world, the Asian elephant and the African elephant. And we can tell an Asian elephant apart from its African relative due to its high domed forehead, its slightly arched back, and also its much smaller ears. Now, to greet you all out here today, our elephant and handler are going to give you a safari salute. And before we begin our demonstration, I'm going to start with a brief introduction. This is 33-year-old Lily. Now, Lily doesn't have any tusks, but you may have noticed that some of our elephants here do. And this is because in the Asian species, only the males have tusks, and the females have a much smaller version called tushes. In the African species, males and females do have tusks. Tusks are made of ivory, and this is extremely valuable. And in fact, in recent years, the price of ivory has almost tripled. And as a result, close to 100 elephants are killed every single day in Africa for their ivory tusks. Well, now that Lily's up at the front, I think she'd like to say hello to everybody. Hey there, Lily. One of the most unique features of an elephant is their trunk. And an elephant's trunk contains over 150,000 muscles and ligaments, which is more than we have in our entire body. An elephant will use their trunk like a hand to pick up food and squirt water into their mouth, and they'll also use it like a nose to breathe and to smell. Now, to show you just how dexterous her trunk is, Lily is going to need someone from the audience with a large coin like a loonie or a toonie. Got our volunteer, awesome. Just wait right there for me. Lily's handler is going to show her coin and then place it on the ground in front of her. And Lily's going to use that finger-like projection at the end of her trunk to feel for the coin and to pick it up. Looks like she's got it. Can you put both hands in front of you nice and flat? Perfect. Lily always pays off her debt. And you might want to wash that coin off. It has just been up an elephant's nose. And just like with any of our animals, it's really important for us to check over our elephants every day and to make sure that they're in perfect health. The easiest way for us to do this with an animal as large as Lily is to ask her to lay down. So how about it, Lily? Aren't you going to lay down for us? Oh, come on, Lily, why aren't you laying down? I forgot something really important. Oh, I forgot Lily's pillow. I guess we're going to have to borrow Maggie's for today. Oh man, sorry, Lily. I'm sure Maggie won't mind. We're gonna fluff it up and make it nice and comfy for her. And now Lily's looking for that perfect spot to lay down. She's got a long way to go. There we go, looks like she's found her spot. Well, now that Lily's laying down, this is going to give her handler an excellent opportunity to check over her enormous surface area. She's starting with her feet, which are composed of 1-inch thick callus pads, to see if there are any stones or thorns embedded in them, and to see if any filing of the toenails needs to be done. Next, she moves on to her eyes, ears, and skin. And a sign of a healthy animal is, of course, a nice, clear eye. Uh-oh. Looks like Lily's trying to infect you. Maybe give her a treat in exchange for your foot. There we go. Uh-oh, she's got your other leg. One more treat might do the trick. There we go. Well, how did Lily do? Did she pass her inspection? Excellent. All right, Lily, you can get up. Come on, Lily. Uh-oh. Looks like we got a sleepy elephant over here. Oh, that pillow's way too comfy. She's right out. Well, what do you think we should do? Something to scare her up. What would scare an elephant? A mouse? So where would I find a mouse in here? In the bucket? Ooh. Let's give this a try. We're gonna sneak up on her. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, that didn't work. Maybe try placing it right on her back. That's gotta do it. Nothing. All right, maybe her head. Just look at her. No. Well, I guess Lily's not really afraid of mice, but I think I know who is. Oh, come on, Charlie. He's really nice. Gotcha. We have the real mouse over here. Don't worry. Can you toss back the fake one? Thank you. Well, that didn't really work. Lily's still asleep. I guess she's not afraid of mice after all. But we still need to get her up. What should we do? All right, we're gonna need your help. I want everyone to say as loud as you can on the count of 3. Get up, Lily. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Get up, Lily!
Well, that certainly worked. Thank you. Oh, what a show off. Now, Lily's a very nice, tidy elephant. She's gonna help put away Maggie's pillow. Thank you, Lily. And now that Lily is standing up nice and tall, we can see she's very tall. And a full-grown Asian elephant will actually reach 9.5 feet at the shoulder. So there aren't many obvious ways of getting on and off, and we've had to invent a couple of our own ways. The first way that Taryn and Lily are going to show you today is called a front leg mount, where Taryn grabs hold of her ear, places her foot on her leg, and then Lily's just going to lift her up. Just like that. Awesome. And now to get down, Lily's just going to lift that foot right back up again and help Taryn down to the ground. And now Taryn and Lily have always been just a little bit backwards, so now they're going to be showing you a back leg down. In the back leg now, Taryn grabs hold of Lily's tail and places her foot on her back leg, and Lily helps her up. Just like that. And there is an express way of getting off an elephant where she's going to use her head just like a slide. Now in every family, there's normally at least one artist, and our elephant family is no exception. So today, Lily's going to be painting a one-of-a-kind t-shirt, which is available for purchase in our gift shop. And while she does this, I'll tell you a little bit more about elephants. Elephants can live up to 60 to 70 years, and a full-grown elephant eats up to 300 pounds of food every day, consisting of hay, fruits, vegetables, and supplemented grains. And they'll also drink up to 60 gallons of water each day. Now, unfortunately, both species of elephant are endangered in the wild due to habitat loss, humans encroaching on their population, and the illegal trade of ivory. But here at the African Lion Safari, we're extremely committed to their conservation. We're a founding member of the International Elephant Foundation and home to the #1 breeding program in North America. And we've had 18 elephants born here since 1991. This is pretty impressive considering the fact that their gestation period is almost 2 full years. Looks like Lily has finished up her artwork, and I think she'd like